Hi everyone, my name is Louis Powell and I am a software engineer on the EU-FarmBook project. In this session, I'll show you some of the current EU-FarmBook features and how to use them and what to do when something doesn't work, as well as some of the major features that we are working on right now. As mentioned, you're able to search for practice-oriented materials using the search bar through recommendations or a selection of topics. You can download these practice-oriented materials, you can share them with other people through different channels, and you can consult the project linked to it to find some related content. All of this can be done without registering on the platform. The search function allows you to refine your search by selecting different filters, and you can view the results in either a list or a thumbnail overview. As a contributor, you would need to register in order to upload contributions. By clicking on the register button, filling in your credentials and confirming, you'll get a confirmation email which will allow you to log on to the platform and start uploading. If you want to allow a project collaborator to add contributions, you'll be able to invite them. Now that you're registered, we can start uploading contributions. Let's use the example of the Arachnus Explorer's Guide so that we can upload this to the platform in different languages. This must be in the form of an uploadable practice-oriented material, such as a document, a presentation, an image, or a video. The process involves 3 steps. We start by selecting the project to which the knowledge object belongs. You will choose this from the list of the projects of which you're already registered as a contributor or a coordinator. And then we move on to actually uploading the practice-oriented material and provided the metadata needed, which will help users find your practice-oriented material more easily on the platform. If the material is available in different languages, you can upload these different languages together and then move on to the next steps. Now you go through all the different metadata properties. Finally, once you've filled in all the required metadata, you can go through to confirm that your contribution is correct and upload it. Once uploaded, you can view your contribution and you can also view the projects for which you're registered. If you have a collection of practice-oriented materials, such as documents, videos, and fact sheets, they can be presented together as a collection of your project. Therefore, if we'd like to upload a video linked to the Explorer's Guide, we'll see it appears as a linked contribution on the Arachnus project page. In the future, you'll be able to create your own collection of linked practice-oriented materials. If you do happen to run into any issues regarding the use of the EU-FarmBook, there's training material at your availability to help you. This material is available through our support center located at the top of their homepage. This covers topics on how you register, what do we mean by metadata, how to upload, and much more that you'll be able to find answers to. If you don't find an answer, there are 2 ways of continuing. You can reach out to us using the contact form, but you can also attend one of the training sessions which will be mentioned at the end of this event. Now, we're aware that projects often have a lot of practice-oriented materials they'd like to upload to the EU-FarmBook, and doing this one at a time is not ideal for them. Therefore, we are working together with several projects, sectorial ambassadors, and EU member states who have developed large databases of knowledge to create a connection between them and the EU-FarmBook. This will happen through what is called an API, and over the next year we'll update you on the different ways you can connect your database to the EU-FarmBook platform. Through the use of artificial intelligence and natural language processing, we're developing a procedure which will assist you with the addition of metadata to each contribution that you put into the EU-FarmBook, such as the keywords, the publication date, the names of the creators, etc. This process will go through the material that you upload and will suggest automatically key information to make uploading a larger amount of contributions more fluent. However, this is only one of the future features which we have planned for the platform. We've got more in store for you. The use of artificial intelligence will also enable us to assist visitors of the platform more easily when they search for information. This will be possible through interactive search function, which will allow you to ask questions and get personalized suggestions on content which you might find interesting. This can either be through a search bar or implemented as an interactive chatbot. Additionally, we're working on being able to provide the platform and its content to you in multiple EU languages. The previously shown multiple language upload feature is a first step towards providing content in multiple EU languages. But before we hand the word back over to our moderators, we also want to inform you about the development of extracting analytics from the platform. In the future, you as a project coordinator will be able to consult how often a contribution has been viewed, downloaded, shared, and other data. We'll update you on these features through our project website and the EU-FarmBook platform. We have major releases planned, but minor features will be released between these major releases.